What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Iron Man. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page to the top edge of the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that comes down the middle. And it's going to bend that back up towards the right side, towards the same height. Now from the ends, draw two short lines coming down towards the bottom of the eyes. Follow that curve coming in. Then we'll angle the eyes coming up and in underneath that top curve. Now we want to move out until the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, step out, and come down, round out the head, and then bend that up on the right side towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to go up, round out the head, come all the way across, and then bring that straight down on the right side. Now in the center of the forehead, let's draw a straight line going across, angle this up and out toward the top, and then we'll bend that trim going out and then down toward the side. Let's add a curve going in between the eye and the side of the head, so going in between the center, and then down to right about there, towards the cheekbone. And we'll curve the cheeks, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the head. Now in the center of the face, let's draw a straight line going across the mouth. Angle this down and out on either side. Let's add that chin piece, stepping down, draw a straight line, angle this down and then out. Now on the side of the head, let's add in those covers. We're going to curve this out, down, and then in. Now in the center of these two lines, we're going to add a curve going up and down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Over on the left side, we're going to bend this out and then down towards the hip. Do the same thing on the right. From the hips, angle this down and in. Come down and in towards the bottom, and we'll close this off. Let's go along the top center of the body, add a circle. And you want to trace that circle along the inside. Underneath that circle, draw a straight line going across. Come down and out. And then angle this up and out towards the side of the body. Now in the middle, we're going to add a seam, coming down and then bending that up. Now in the center of the body, let's step down, draw a short line going across. And then from the ends, we're going to bend the legs, going out and down towards the left heel. Go to the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the left side, bend this down and then up. From the outside of the foot, we're going to curve this up, and then we'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And we'll angle that back up and in towards the inside of the leg. Now, we're going to go back up to the hips and curve the leg, going out and then down on top of the feet. Let's add a thick sole across the bottom. We're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's go back to the inside leg. We're going to curve this up and then bend that out toward the side. Now from the top of the foot, let's step up from the outside leg, draw a straight line coming in, line that up on the right, angle this up and in toward the top of the boot, angle this down and then in toward the inside. Now in this area, we're going to add two curves. Let's start from the top left, bend this in and then down, step down and draw that again. Do the exact same thing on the right side, just lining this up. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. So right here, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. And line it up on the right side. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. Start from the bottom of the thumb, and come down, and bend that in around that bracket. Go to the side, curve the second finger going out, and then in. And then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, just bend that in underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go up to the top of the thumb. We're going to add a seam. We're going to go up and then out. Let's go halfway along the inside of the arm, add another seam, going up and then out. Now from the side of the arm, I'm just going to add the shoulder, coming down and bending that in. Let's add one more seam across the top of the arm. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Iron Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.